You need to watch this if you struggle with understanding quantum computing. It's a topic that can seem incredibly complex and intimidating at first glance, but trust me, it's simpler than you think once you break it down. It's simpler than you think. Imagine the excitement of finally grasping a concept that once seemed out of reach. That's the journey we're about to embark on together. Alright, so what exactly is quantum computing? Let's start with the basics and build our way up to the more fascinating aspects. Think of your regular computer. It's a powerful machine that processes information at incredible speeds, allowing us to perform a multitude of tasks. As a really fast librarian looking through books one by one, this librarian is efficient but still limited by the need to check each book individually. Now a quantum computer? It's a game changer. Imagine a librarian who can access and read multiple books simultaneously. It's like having a super librarian who can read millions of books at the same time. This ability to process vast amounts of information simultaneously is what sets quantum computers apart. Mind-blowing, right? The potential here is enormous. At its core, quantum computing uses qubits instead of regular bits. But what exactly are qubits? And why are they so special? While a bit is either a 0 or 1, a qubit can be both at once thanks to something called superposition. This means that a qubit can exist in multiple states simultaneously, vastly increasing the computational power. It's like spinning a coin where it's not just heads or tails, but both until you look at it. This concept is fundamental to understanding the power of quantum computing. Then there's entanglement. Imagine you have two magic dice. These dice are special because they are entangled, meaning their states are linked no matter the distance between them. No matter how far apart they are, if you roll one, the other will instantly show the same number. That's entanglement. This phenomenon allows quantum computers to perform complex calculations at unprecedented speeds. It's what makes quantum computers so powerful. They can solve problems that are currently impossible for classical computers. But why does this matter? Why should we care about quantum computing? Quantum computers can solve problems that would take regular computers millions of years. This means we can tackle challenges that were previously thought to be insurmountable. We're talking breakthroughs in medicine such as developing new drugs and treatments at a much faster rate, cryptography ensuring our data is more secure than ever before, and even climate change solutions, helping us to better understand and combat global warming. So, next time you hear quantum computing, remember, it's not just science fiction, it's the future. The advancements we make today will shape the world of tomorrow, and it's going to be epic. The possibilities are endless, and the journey is just beginning. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of science. There's so much more to discover, and who knows what incredible innovations lie ahead. Thanks for watching. Your curiosity and passion for learning are what drive progress. Like and subscribe for more cool tech insights. Stay tuned for more exciting content that will keep you at the forefront of technological advancements.